Nakaino, Nakaino, Mosa buna, mosa buna, mosa buna, mosa buna, mosa buna, mosa buna, Nakaino, Nakaino.
Ako cara kanya ba? Ni abola ke watching. Abu nyam kete pos ache matoyo. Nti ya no afagi sari bio na yo. Ti ake ko the family there.
Be part of you. Today is Sunday. We're all supposed to be in church, but I know that our tradition is there before church. And coming by this time for this naming ceremony is a blessing to us. More especially as we are not Ghanaians and we are living in this land, and you take my daughter to be part of you, we want to say thank you. And the name you gave to her, they explained to us that it shows all is well. And it is a beautiful name, my king. Thank you so much. But I'm also assuring you that vision you had about girl child, she will champion that vision. Bro, our daughters are strength. Our daughters are our power. Our daughters are the ones taking us across the borders. In my tribe, in Igbo tribe, when a man gives birth to women, they say, I've given birth to wealth. When you give birth to a man, say, I've given birth to a man that will bless your name. Wealth means so many things. A poor family is women that attract wealthy men for them. Poor family, women attract so many people around them. Poor family, men replace. They might not attract wealth. They might attract wealth. Women attract wealth and welfare. So for you choosing her, believe me, she's in to support, help. Life is all about information and vision. You have come up with your information, your vision. She will support with information and make sure the girl child are properly guided. Thank you, my king.
Thank you so much, everybody. My mother, I love you. I am ecstatically elated that this has happened today. Matter of fact, I'm even short of words. I cannot contain or express my excitement. If you see how I look, this is the most regal I've looked in my lifetime. And thanks to everybody, thanks to my father. I really, really appreciate. Na Awele Fei the first. Na Amele Fei the first. Please do not forget the first. I have come to stay and I will reign very peacefully, inshallah. I want to thank His Majesty especially for this rare honor and privilege. And I want to assure you that your vision I would carry like my baby. And I would make sure that you're very happy and you're very proud to sit on the gas stool. The girl child, every guy girl is now my child. Even when we beg for more, I would make sure that all the girl child and women also in the gas state is being well taken care of and looked after, inshallah. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, my father. Thank you so much, my other father. Thank you so much, everybody. I love everybody. I love everybody. I don't know what to say. Thank you so much.
Give her to her. Three times. My mom. Mommy. Hold it. Hold it. Okay. I give you one.
Wala afelo no ya shuru ulu kele saying
You all leave, you all leave me alone. So that the blessings anybody. Namele fẹ́ kẹ́ńkẹ́lẹ́mọ̀ kó kẹ́ ìwé jẹ́bù lébi o jẹ́bù ṣàánú o jẹ́bù bẹ́jọ jẹ́bù dansẹ́ ehe yẹntọ́ ní wíkẹ́ bí fẹ́ ní ọ̀gá láàyè ní ọ̀gá wọ́n tún wá mẹ́ kan wọlé sanọ́nà ọ̀lẹ́ àjẹsẹ́ àtòmọ̀nyẹ̀mẹ̀ bíi kẹ́hàndínlẹ́ bíi àgbẹ̀jẹ̀ baafi ìgbẹ̀fà nínú ìkànnì baafi ìkùnmẹ́ ìwọ̀n yẹn wọ́wọ́ kàgbẹ́kẹ̀ yòó ìgbẹ̀nyẹ̀ àlàtò ìyẹ̀wọ́ sẹ́kù kẹ́màṣì ọpẹ́ wọ́n kura ọpẹ́ wọ́n jàjì wọ́n pẹ́ kàgbẹ́kẹ̀ yòó wọ́ sẹ́kù àpòlù ní kàsẹ́mọ́ afẹ́ òtí kẹ́hàbọ̀ nàmẹ́lẹ́ fẹ́hìn fẹ́ńkẹ́lẹ́mọ̀ òkè ìwò kàsẹ́ ìhìbò ìwò.
Speak it in English for them to understand.
It's okay. It's not only to her, but the entourage that came with her.
Okay.
His Royal Majesty, what he said was now that you have transformed this state
There are many things who are doing things similar. But you will do your portion. If it costs you money, if it costs you a long time, if it costs you at night, even in the middle of the night, you don't respond. It is a bit, and it's serious. If it says 3 times, if it costs you morning, noon time, evening, even at night, and you don't respond, it is a serious problem. Said it 3 times. So that is the basis of what he said. He said you must do no worship and make sure they get that child. Riches where he wants to be.
Emmanuel Afrique, les sangs, il fait, tandis que
I feel very blessed while working with the parents. We move and to work together. We can so together. So you are down to the king. Say what? To the king. What you are doing?
I know the way we do our things, our people. As long as you have given her this opportunity, this blessing, you will not regret it, my King. As she has spoken, we have spoken. We will also support her to make sure that the promises she gave to the must stand and the request of the King must stand. And finally, my King, I want to say thank you. On behalf of all Nigerians in Ghana, for giving us this opportunity, we say thank you. God bless you, my King. Who is in charge? Odogu. Odogu.
buna. Oshitra buna. Teacher buna. Imba kocha buna. Mosambula, mosambula, mosambula. Mosambula, mosambula, mosambula.